we're talking about possibility of a fab and the entire ecosystem, and I want to just, break the good news to you. Vision to reality. And Madhya Pradesh government has actually 3 days back passed in the cabinet a fab policy, first of its kind in the country. Now, what do we have in this? I'll quickly tell you. Next. Well, first of all, why Madhya Pradesh? This is a customary slide. I'll now be paid my salary if I don't say this. So you will have to allow me to quickly cover this. But it's the state, one of the few states which everybody is now sitting and watching. A state with a combined annual growth rate of more than 10% of the GDP. And then we have a phenomenal, committed, visionary leadership. Today, in fact, when I am standing here in front of you and trying to tell you about the FAB policy that we have cleared a week back in the cabinet on 27th of January to be precise, my chief minister is sitting in New York and meeting investors and convincing them why they should come to India to set up a fab in Madhya Pradesh. So that's the kind of visionary leadership we have. And of course, now it's a state which is infrastructure ready in terms of power, road, land, quality life. I'll not go into all that because you have been listening to that by various states, but it's ready. And then, of course, you got a state with skilled manpower, and most importantly, it's a state with a clarity on policy support. What policy support the industry wants from us. That is what I would like to focus more on. Next. Yeah, sorry. So this is a policy which is currently focused on analog fab, which is a smaller baby, as they say. And it's available for incentive investments above rupees 500 million, because we all know that it's a very capital intensive industry. So there has to be a cutoff, there's to benchmark. And then more than 200 acres of land is earmarked, and free land will be given up to 75 acres to any company which is going to come and set up an analog fab in Madhya Pradesh. Next, we are promising that dedicated 24/7 power supply from two separate grids at internationally competitive rates for 10 years, meaning which we are promising that the rates of the power will be frozen at this rate for 10 years, and that too from a dedicated feeders right at the doorstep. We are saying that we'll provide you water supply because fab needs a lot of water also. So good quality water to be supplied at the doorstep 24/7, again to be pegged at an internationally competitive rate for 10 years. So I'm not competing with neighboring states, because we need to understand that an investor who is coming with such huge amount of investment is comparing myself with Taiwan and China and South Korea. So I'm going to peg these rates to these countries and tell him that, look, if you're going to get this power and water at this rate, you'll get that at the same rate in Madhya Pradesh for 10 years. Then we are saying, we'll construct the sewage plant to handle the entire effluent that will be coming out of a fab. We'll provide you dedicated road connectivity up to the airport, because you'll have massive movement of trucks, of finished goods as well as raw materials. Then we have a free trade zone at the airport, because a fab would require that. Building shell cost, including the clean room, will be fully reimbursed. And then we are saying that we'll have a chemical firefighting facility, because that will be needed as a state-of-the-art facility. And we are going to provide all the supports for supporting units like ultra purity gas plants and so on. A lot of support units that will be required for a fab. And then next. And training and expatriate cost will be reimbursed for 5 years. Because we know that somebody who is going to set up a fab here will have to bring in a lot of manpower, trained manpower in the beginning from other countries. We do not have people who are trained to work in a fab in the country. And that kind of expatriate mentoring and support will be needed, and government will be supporting that. Of course, policy support for enabling housing, schooling, medical facilities around the units, which is given normally, but we'll do it. And all other support as per the state IT investment policy, and of course, active collaboration with Government of India for MSIPs and all other incentives. Thank you. I think you have to appreciate that the fact that a state government can dare to sit in a gathering like this and face the music means that states have understood their role, and therefore fab is going to be reality. Thank you.